Hello, everybody. Welcome to LangShack. Once again, we are doing our second installment of the Papiamento language course. And I have made a PDF for you to follow along. So if you are connected on this to the PDF, take a look at it. It is free for this entire series for Papiamento. Every one of these is. So feel free to join along. So today we have we have a text here. It's not really related to any specific topic, but it's about 3 short paragraphs here. So I'm going to read the text to you, and then we will review the words. We'll go over the grammar concepts that are covered in here, and then we will cover the exercises as well, or we will just do some exercises over this podcast as you listen. So I'm going to go ahead and read this, and after I will read it a couple times, and then I will provide the English. All right, here we go. Mita un hombre cansa y un menor de escola novo. Eta un mujer alto y una frau de escola grave. Nos trabaja na un escola bonita. Todo día nos instruí estudiante nan ken nan bin escola tenan by the escola na tarde. Estudiante nan sin hispano enter día na un class ferfelo. E muchanan ta estudiante nan. Eta un mucha mujer y etin pushi preto. Mi tin un amigo. Mi amigo tin un cachorro tristo, ma su cachorro tabalo awe y cachorro drumi. Amigo di vosso ta un autor, y está escribiendo un buki. Boque lesa su buki kende, acaba escribir buki. Tin un cantante y gusta canta cantona nakas. Again. Mita un hombre cansa y un menor de escola novo. Eta una mujer alto y una frau de escola grave. Nos tratará na un escola bonita. Todo día nos instrui estudiante nan ken nan bin school te nan bin di escola na tarde. Estudiante nan signa spano henter día na un class ferfelo. E muchanan ta estudiante nan. Eta un mucha mujer y tiene un pushi preto. Mi tiene un amigo. Mi amigo tiene un cachorro tristo, ma su cachorro tamaloawe y cachorro drumi. E amigo di vosso ta un autor. Y está escribiendo un buki. Boque lesa su buki kende acaba escribir buki. Tiene un cantante y gusta cantunan nakas. So, yes. So the translation here is, I am a tired man and a new teacher. She is a tall woman and a serious teacher. We work in a beautiful school. Every day we teach students when they come to school until they leave school in the afternoon. The students learn Spanish every day in a boring class. Everybody, you all's friend, is an author. And she is writing a book. You want to read her book when she finishes writing the book. There is a singer, and he likes to sing songs at home. So, this little selection here is a little bit. We're gonna review the vocabulary here in a different way. So, instead of just going through the vocabulary list directly from the PDF, I'm just going to look at this text here and tell you straight up what each word means in order, so that you can actually follow along with the text, and then you can learn a little bit about the order. So, mita un hombre cansa. So, you know that mita is I am, and un is a. So, I am a hombre cansa. So, hombre is a man, cansa is tired. So, you know that a tired man is un hombre cansa. So, cansa is tired, and hombre is a man. So, the adjective here goes after hombre. E un menor de escola noble. So menor de escola is a female teacher. So noble is new. Menor de escola is a female teacher. Or I'm sorry, is a male teacher, excuse me. Because meneer is from Dutch meneer, which means Mr. or Sir. So male teacher, excuse me. And noble is new. Está un mujer alto. So está is he or she is. So está un mujer alto. So alto is high, so or tall. So she is a tall teacher or tall woman. So un mujer alto, a tall woman. Y un juffrouw de school grave. So juffrouw is essentially the Dutch word for Mrs. So juffrouw de school would be literally a woman of school or a Mrs. of school, and that is a teacher. Grave is serious. That's also from Portuguese and Spanish both. Nos trabaja na un school bonita. So nos means us or we. So nos trabaja. So trabaja means to work. So trabaja is the present tense of that. So nos trabaja, we work. Nos trabaja na un school bonita. Na un school. So school is school. Bonita is beautiful. So un school bonita is a beautiful school. So nos trabaja na is in. So nos trabaja na un school bonita. We work in a beautiful school. Todo dia is every day because all day is gente dia. Gente dia, not todo dia. So todo dia nos instrui, which is like instruct. Nos instrui estudiante nang ken nang bin school. So we teach students. So nos instrui, so we teach students. So estudiante is students. Estudiante nang is our students. Sinyang, Keng, who, nang is they or them. Being means to go. And school is a school. So we teach kids who are who go to school. So Kende. Oh, this should actually be Kende. I don't know why I wrote Ken here. Kende means when. Excuse me here. So Ken is who. So Kende. Actually, yeah, I will have to check that one because I think that one might have an error. Non being school, when they go to school. And te is like from Portuguese ate, which means until. So te non vai di school na tarde. So te non vai di school di school na tarde. Until they go from school in the afternoon. So when they leave school. Estudiante nang signa spano. So the students learn. So signa is like it's like enseñar or enseñar in Spanish, which means to teach, but it means to learn. So the students learn Spanish. So español or Spano. Gente dia na un class ferfelu. So gente dia means all day, and na un class is in a class. Ferfelu means boring. I'm not sure what language this comes from though. So the students learn Spanish all day in a boring school. So muchanang ta estudiantinang. So muchanang the students. So muchanang ta estudiantinang. So mucha is a child and muchanang is our students. So muchanang ta estudiantinang. So the children are students. Eta un mucha mujer. So mucha is a child. Mucha mujer is a girl. So eta she or he is, in this case would be she. So she is a girl. So eta un mucha mujer y etin un pushi preto. So etin, she has. Pushi is a cat and preto is black. So she has a black cat. Y etin un pushi preto. Mi tin un amigo. So I have un amigo. Amigo is friend. So most English speakers listening to this will probably already know this one from amigo. And mi amigo tiene un cachorro triste. So cachorro is from Spanish cachorro, which means little dog, or puppy. And in Portuguese, cachorro is a dog in general. So my friend, mi amigo, tiene un cachorro triste. Tristo means sad. So my friend has a sad dog. Ma means but. You can also say perro, as many people may know, because ma is from Portuguese mas, which means but his dog. So su cachorro, his dog. Su is his or hers. Mas su cachorro ta malu awe. So ta malu, I think we have malu in the last chapter, which means bad. So, but in this case, it means sick. So mas su cachorro ta malu. So his dog is sick. Awe means today. So, but his dog is sick. Mas su cachorro ta malu awe. E cachorro dorumi. So dorumi is like dorm from dormant. So if you think of like a dormant volcano, you can actually remember this word this way. So dorumi means to sleep. It's related to dormir in Spanish and Portuguese. Pretty much every Romance language, it's almost the same. E cachorro dorumi. So in the dog sleeps. E amigo do bolso. So bolso means you all. So amigo, the friend of you all. So amigo do bolso. Ta un autor. So ta is a. So autor is an author. So y'all's friend, or you all's friend, or the friend of you all. You would just say your friend is an author. Y eta he is escribiendo. So escribir means to write. So eta escribiendo. It's a continuous tense here. So it's like writing, the ing in writing. So eta escribiendo un buki. Skirby is like scribe in English. That's what the etymology would be related to, but it's not, obviously doesn't mean that. It's just to help you learn it. Un buki. He is writing a book. Boke. So ke is to want. The ke is like to choir and require. So, but even though we don't really use that in English by itself, we say want, but choir, just to give you an idea. So you can also say quier in this language. So boquier, you can say boquier lesa, but more people say ke. So boquier lesa, you want to read. So do you want to read his book when he finishes? So boquier lesa su buki kende ekaba skirbi abuki. So ekaba skirbi abuki, he finishes. So Kaba from the last podcast. So Ekaba Skirby, he finishes writing the book Ebuki. So Ekaba Skirby Ebuki finishes writing the book. Tin un cantante. Tin also means to have, like there is or there are. So tin un cantante, there is a singer. Tin un cantante. Y gusta. So gusta, to like. Canta, to sing. And cantu is like a chant. So canta is like a chant, and cantunang, chants or songs. It's songs. He likes to sing songs at home. Nakas, at home. So there is a singer, and he likes to sing songs at home. Tinun cantante y gusta canta cantunang nakas. So sorry for taking so long on that one. Just wanted to make sure that everybody understood the words here. So we're gonna go over these grammar concepts here that we have in these that we covered in the lesson here. So the plurals, as you saw in this reading selection, nang. If you add nang means they, right? Nang means they or them, or theirs, depending on how you say it. But you can add this to the end of any noun. So if you have skol, which means school, skolinan, schools, class is a class, classnan, classes. Estudiante is a student, estudiantenan, students. If you have a house, casnan, houses. So etin casnan bonita, he has beautiful houses. Or cantante, you could say there are singers. So tin cantante. So tin cantante by itself would mean there are singers. If you haven't indicated that, if you don't put something before it, it does automatically mean the plural. So if you have, let's say you want to say there is a singer here. You would have to say tin un cantante, there is a singer, or there is the singer. Tin e cantante, there is the singer. However, if you don't put e or un or a number in there, then any Papiamento's native speaker is going to assume that you're talking about the plural automatically. So you have to say nang. You don't have to say nang at all. But if you say tin cantante or tin cas, it means houses or singers automatically. But nang just indicates that you are for sure saying that it's in the plural. So it's not really necessary to use it, but it is there. All right, and now we're going to go over the pronouns here. So pronouns are pretty simple in this language. There is only one exception. Well, there are some rules, but we don't have to go over those right now. So me means I, me, or my, right? And bo, which is from Portuguese você, which ultimately came from vos mercê, which came from vossa mercê, which means your mercy. That's a whole different thing. Means you or your. So bo means you or your. E is he or she. However, if you say his or her, you don't say e. Whereas all the other ones you can say, mi cantante, non cantante, their singer, vosso cantante, you also singer, stuff like that. You have to say su, which is exactly like Spanish. So su means his or hers. Nos means us or we, and it also means ours. And boso means you all or your. So boso, you all. And nang means they, them, or our. Always remember that the end when you see an N at the end of a word in Papiamento, that it means that you say it like the NG in sing. Nang. And then this thing here too, if you're trying to say something like, I guess they call these possessive pronouns, or mine, like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs with the S at the end. It's pretty simple. You just say whatever it is that you're trying to say, and then ta di me. So it's basically saying is of me. Ta di bo is of you. Ta di su is of his or hers. Ta di nos is of ours. Ta di boso is of yours or you all, and is of they is theirs. So ta di nan. So if you say like, is this house mine? You would say escol di me. Is it the school is mine? Or you could say, is this house yours? Esaki means this. So esaki kas tadibo, is this house yours, or is this their children? Emuchanang tadinan, is this child theirs? Is the child theirs? So yeah, you say tadi to indicate that. And then if you want to use adjectives here, if you want to do order of adjectives, it's pretty simple. You just put the adjective at the end of a word. So end of any noun. So if you have so if you're saying a beautiful school, you're not going to say un bonito school. You say un school bonito from the dialogue. Or if you say if you're trying to say black cat, you're not going to say un preto pushi. You say un pushi preto. So a fast car, you don't say un rapido auto, you say un auto rapido. A slow car, un auto tras. An ugly car, un auto majos. So you're always going to put the adjective after the noun, just like it is in Portuguese, Spanish, French, and Italian. All of those languages are all like that. There are cases in which you would use these as in the front in those various languages, but for the most part, in Papiamento, you are always going to use the noun before the adjective. So we do have some exercises here, but there is not enough time to cover them. I don't want this to draw on for too much longer beyond 20 minutes. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and if you have access to the PDF, which, like I said, it is free, so if you want to check that out, just take a look and do these grammar and vocabulary exercises. I will have to clarify the fill in the blank creative exercises for people doing this, but it should make sense. But if you have questions, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to walk you through how that works. I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast, and let me know if you have any suggestions or how I can improve, and let me know what you think. Feel free to drop a comment, and I will respond to everything. All right. Thank you guys for listening, and hope to see you guys in the next one.